Hey boys and girls, so today we're going to be doing something pretty simple. All you're going to need to do on this page is to write the number that is being told to you using tens and ones. So if I have 3 tens and 7 ones, I have the number 37. So all you have to do is just write it like this. So if I have 2 tens and 2 ones, I have the number 22. 4 tens and 9 ones is 49. 7 tens and 3 ones is 73. So why don't you try the last 4 on your own? What I want you to do is push pause and then try it, and then push play and check your answers with me. So go ahead and push pause and then push play when you're done. Okay, so this one is 18. This one is 45, 26, and 15. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get the back. Today now we're adding plus 5, so all of these problems are just going to be adding 5 more. Now it seems like there's a lot of problems here, but if you look at your strategies, you should be able to solve these pretty quickly. So this one is 6 plus 5, that's doubles plus 1. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so one more is 11. We have 1 plus 5, so just the next number is 6. This is almost doubles, so 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 more is 12. Okay, so this is, we just keep going through here and find the answers to our equations, and then when you're done, do what your teacher would have you do next.